to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Your Vyroko channel. Hey guys, you're welcome to my kitchen, you're welcome to my home. So today I'm going to be preparing something very amazing. Everybody loves it. In Nigeria, in Africa, we all love this. It's the suya, guys. Suya. I'm going to be preparing suya. So the number one thing you will need for your suya is the soya spice, guys. Yes, I've just I shared this on my channel not quite long ago. Anyway, I'm going to be leaving the link for you guys. You see the link here. If you don't know how to prepare your soya spice, I shared an amazing simple recipe. So you need your soya spice for this recipe, and of course you'll be needing the meat. Yes, I have previously I made them cut this meat for me as fine as possible, guys. But if you want to give it a cut at home, you can as well give it a cut, but you need a very sharp knife. Anyway, this is the brief I'm going to be using. You'll be needing some oil. We're going to be using some oil to brush. You'll be needing or salt or your granulated seasoning. Yes, guys. So I'm going to be putting it right away. I'll put a little bit of seasoning, guys, into the oil. Just a little to give it some taste, because I'm not going to be using salt. I already have some seasoning in my soya spice. So this I'm going to be using to brush the meat. Yes, before I add the soya spice. So you put some seasoning, any seasoning of your choice, guys. You mix it into the oil. Let me put this one apart. Of course, you'll be needing your barbecue sticks. I am using these ones that are made of iron. You can use barbecue sticks, any one of your choice. You'll be needing a sharp knife. You'll be needing a plate. So let me go right away by, I'm going to be cutting them again so that it will be easier for us when we are putting them into sticks. So you take your meat and you cut it like so, about this. See, guys, easy, guys. So I'm going to be cutting all of them. I'll cut it in half. Cut it in half so that it will be easier for us to put them on the sticks. So this is it. Take it and cut it. Welcome, hello there. If today is the first time you're seeing this channel, you're coming on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you for clicking. If you love what I do, do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell. That way you see whenever I upload my videos, guys. Thank you. And for those of you that keep coming back to watch my videos, my oldies, I thank you so much. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. So guys, I'm going to be brushing the meat with some oil first before I start to put them in sticks. That way your soya spice will easily stick to the meat. So this is what I do. I brush with some oil, all of them. I brush them first. Okay. And by the time you finish brushing, we now start to dip them. We now start to dip them into the soya spice. So guys, don't put too much soya spice, because the one that you have used the meat has touched, you can't use it anymore. So we're going to be putting just what we feel we need, and if you need some more, you can always add. So this is how much I'm going to put now, and then I put it away, because now we're going to put the meat. We're going to put it, start putting the meat like so. I have put oil back and front, so we now press it Put to that side. Guys, give this a trial, you will love it. So this is what I do. Yes, you see guys, so when you do this, we're going to set it aside. You keep preparing them, put it aside till when you finish, and then we'll start to put them into the sticks, guys. And of course, we're going to be having our tomatoes and our onions to accompany our suya, guys. So at the end of it, we're going to be having our tomatoes and onions, guys. So if you know you need more, of course we're going to be pouring more inside, but put it gradually, because if it's remaining, you're going to throw it off. So guys, I've actually finished putting all of them, and in fact I actually discovered I have more meat than I thought, so this might not be enough. I also soaked some sticks here that I'm going to be using, so I'll take them out of the water and I will use it for this. Make sure you set your oven at least 10 minutes before the time, and then after preparing your suya meat, you have to wait for like an hour or two if you have the time. Yes, it's better, so that the taste of the soya spice must have entered inside the meat. So we're going to be putting the meat bit by bit. As we push it in. Like so. Okay. This should be okay. So I'm going to put it across my grill now. Put it like so. I want to make sure it's properly on top of the grill, guys. Okay, done. You can even do without putting it on the sticks. You can spread them on your grill. It's still the same suya. Guys, you can enjoy your suya anywhere. You don't need to be in Africa to eat suya. You can prepare your suya straight away from your kitchen, wherever you are. What is important is that you have the ingredients available to prepare it. So I've done this so far. I'm now going to be using sticks since I still have more meat here. So let's go along to use the stick. I never knew I have much meat like so. I got this meat yesterday, guys. I went to the butcher and I made sure they sliced it for me as thinly as possible, because I told the guy that I needed the meat to be sliced fine, so I don't need to bother myself cutting it again at home. So if you go to your butcher, the butcher shop, tell them to cut it for you. We're almost there. My oven is ready. I'm going to be putting it inside. But before we put it inside, we're going to still put some oil on it, and then we'll put it in the oven. We'll check 15 minutes time. We'll check how it is. Normally it doesn't take time. 15 to 20 minutes, you should be ready, guys. I'm going to be leaving the list of the ingredients below. My suya spice, I'm going to be leaving the link so you guys can prepare it. So what I will do now is I'm going to be brushing it all over. Brush it, and then we'll put it in the oven now, guys. We're going to put it in the oven, brush with some oil, like so. Remember, I added some seasoning in the oil. I will leave the ingredients below in the description box. So this is it, guys. So guys, going inside the oven now, our suya. Make sure your oven is high enough. Put it in. I will time it for like 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes time, I'll control it. Meanwhile, I'm going to bring the onions and the tomatoes to show you guys. So guys, while we are waiting for our suya in the oven, let us prep our veggie. We'll have our onions, tomatoes to accompany. What suya is that if you don't have onions and tomatoes? So we're going to be cutting our onions as fine as possible, guys. Make sure you have a sharp knife, watch your fingers. So let's cut. There we are with our onions. Now I'm going to be cutting our onions. Now I'm going to be cutting the tomatoes, guys. You can cut it anyhow you want. What is important is that we accompany the suya with tomatoes and onions. Of course, your tomatoes have to still be firm, guys, when you buy them. Tomatoes have to be firm. I love tomatoes. I love eating them, especially in summer. So good. Vitamin A. So I have finished slicing. 10 minutes now for the suya. I'm going to be controlling it. Here we are. Onions, tomatoes, guys. Okay. So we're going to set this aside and we're going to control the suya together. Guys, I'm going to control it now. 15 minutes gone. I want to see how it is. I want to see if it's ready. Yes, we're there. Guys, look at that. Amazing, guys, amazing. So I want to leave it again for some time. I want to try to see if I can turn it to the other side. Okay, I'm going to leave it again for 10 minutes and then we'll be fine. Our suya is ready. Check it out, guys. Yummy, 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 guys. I'm going to put it in a plate now to show you guys. So guys, as you can see, this is our homemade suya. Yes, guys, like all the time, like always, I've come to the end of another video. Thank you so much for viewing my channel. If you love what I do, please support me by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell. That way you'll see whenever I upload my videos. Till I see you again in my next one, I say remain blessed from Vyroko channel. Thank you. From me to you, it's bye for now. Thank you. Thank you.